Hello, and welcome back to the Blackstone Solicitors channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's both important and often misunderstood: will trusts for minors. If you have children or young dependents, understanding how to plan for their future in your will is essential. A will trust is a way to ensure that any inheritance they receive is managed responsibly until they are old enough to take control themselves. So, what exactly is a will trust? In simple terms, it's a legal arrangement set out in your will that allows money or other assets to be held on behalf of a child until they reach a certain age. This could be 18, 21, or even older, depending on your wishes and the type of trust you establish. The person or people you appoint to manage the trust, known as trustees, have a legal duty to act in the best interests of the child and manage the assets responsibly. One of the main reasons for setting up a will trust is protection. Children cannot legally inherit assets directly until they reach the age of majority. Without a trust, any inheritance could be tied up in court or fall under the control of a guardian, which may not reflect your wishes. A trust gives you control over how and when your children receive their inheritance and ensures that the money is used for their benefit. Another advantage of a will trust is flexibility. You can decide whether the child receives the funds in stages, for example at 18 and then again at 25, or whether the trustees have discretion to use the funds for education, living expenses, or other needs. This can be particularly useful if you want to provide for long-term goals, such as university fees, a first home, or starting a business. Trustees can also make decisions based on the child's circumstances at the time, providing an extra layer of protection and support. Choosing the right trustees is crucial. They need to be responsible, trustworthy, and capable of managing financial matters. Many people choose family members, close friends, or a professional trustee. At Blackstone Solicitors, we help clients select appropriate trustees and draft clear instructions to ensure that the trust is administered in line with their wishes. It's also important to consider the tax implications. A well-structured will trust can provide tax efficiencies, helping to protect the inheritance from unnecessary charges. Professional legal advice ensures that the trust is set up correctly and complies with current laws, giving peace of mind that your children's inheritance is secure. In summary, a will trust for minors is an essential tool for parents and guardians who want to protect their children's future. It ensures that assets are managed responsibly, provides flexibility over how and when funds are distributed, and gives you confidence that your wishes will be carried out. At Blackstone Solicitors, we guide clients through every step of creating a will trust, offering practical advice and clear, personalized solutions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical legal insights from Blackstone Solicitors.